Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Kurt. Welcome back. Today I'm making Kurt fried chicken, aka KFC, and it's going to be amazing. Anyways, I forgot to record my intro for the actual video, and I'll just do a voiceover thingy because I was really it was boring because I was half asleep recording. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. You're going to definitely enjoy this chicken if you try it. So I'm not even saying bye. Enjoy. So guys, after cleaning the chicken, as you can see, it's time to season and leave to marinate. Shake, shake, shake. So right here, I was telling you to use buttermilk. If you don't have a bottle of buttermilk like I have, you can use a mixture of milk and lime juice to make it. It causes some kind of reaction, it should work just the same. I didn't use any measurements throughout this recipe because seriously, who has time to measure salt and pepper? Anyways, pour the buttermilk onto the chicken until it covers almost all of it. I then added salt, black pepper, cayenne, and paprika. Honestly, put as much as you feel is right. It worked for me. Well, I actually ended up putting more salt and cayenne to the rest of the chicken. It needed a little more, so keep that in mind. I didn't have onion or garlic powder at the time, so I simply used a few cloves of smashed garlic. I also forgot to mention thyme, so put it in if you have. You guys probably will have it easier with garlic and onion powder though. Next, I rub that good seasoning all over the chicken to make sure it tastes amazing once it's cooked. You got that done, time to cover and marinate in the fridge overnight. Pro tip, the longer the chicken marinates, the better it will taste. I prepared to coat the chicken with a random amount of flour and some egg wash. I quickly seasoned them with the basics. So for the crispiest result, drench the chicken. Try to coat every single spot on the meat evenly. First I dip the buttermilk coated chicken into the flour, then egg wash, then in the flour again. And that's it for one piece. Repeat the process, and now it's time to get your oil sizzling. Okay guys, so I was saying foolishness a while ago. I don't remember the temperature of the oil, and I usually don't have a thermometer. So what I usually do is just get a little piece of chicken or flour and just put it in the oil right from the beginning. When it starts to bubble and float, you know that the oil is hot enough to fry the rest of the chicken. Okay. Okay guys, my chicken is almost finished, as you can see. I can just turn it upside down. Look at it go. Now, have a look at it. Like, that looks so delicious. Yes, me too. I'm starving just from the smell of it. It's just making me even hungrier. Anyways, you guys have had enough of this watching chicken thing. You simply out of the frying pan, into the oven, then out of the oven, then into my mouth. Okay guys, so once you've gotten that golden brown color on the chicken, it's time for you to take it out and put it in a pan so that you can put it in the oven to cook. Basically what I said was, to make sure your chicken is cooked properly, let it cook in the oven for at least 15 minutes, depending on how long you had it in the oil. I found out that it looks more appealing when you don't burn it while in the oil trying to cook it. Oh jeez! Oh no! I forgot to burn up the fries. Oh no! Voila! Guys, okay, so fried chicken is ready and it's time to taste. This should be really good. This is enjoyable. Because I'm not going to eat a lot while on camera, I'll have the rest later. But all I have to say is it's good, and you guys should try it too. So, here it is, KFC curd fried chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below so I know what other videos to post. And tell me if you enjoyed it or not. So, I'll see you guys next week. Goodbye.